ये फियांसे जो है ये दोनों डेट नहीं करते, ये दोनों फ्रेंड्स विद बेनिफिट्स वाले इसमें थे.
Listen na
यार,
you
bro,
was a
story.
little too harsh.
या आजकल लोग कर रहे हैं, मत करो गाइस.
Hi guys, welcome to the Fast Wedding Special. I'm Priyanka.
I'm Khushi.
I'm Aishwarya. Let's get into the video. There are no prizes for guessing why this is wedding special. I think all of our feeds are completely filled with only wedding stuff right
Plus
now.
one.
With so much happening with that one wedding that is just not happening. When is it happening, guys?
Happy
I saw
with
the invite. Did you
dresses.
see the invite? It was so
So
massive.
bada, but
There were, I think,
they give
all
silver
gods were
coins
covered.
also. Cute.
Yeah,
Cute.
No, but the wedding is not happening. That is the highlight.
Yeah.
yeah.
There is no wedding. I think it's just a publicity scam.
Did you
at
just
this
say that?
They're
point.
giving too much of employment to a lot of people is what I feel.
नहीं, ये बस बढ़ा
They
रहे
are
हैं,
giving
बढ़ा रहे हैं.
employment to people who already had employment. It's not helping anyone.
Yeah,
But
guys.
Justin Bieber was at the wedding.
So, I
Not
like
the wedding.
him.
the संगीत.
Beyonce थी भाई.
Beyonce नहीं आई है, चल.
Beyonce का भाई.
Beyonce आती तो
आई नहीं है.
कुछ
खाली
ज्यादा
तो Rihanna
तड़फड़क हो
आई थी.
जाता.
Rihanna आई थी. Yes, sorry guys.
That is so scandalous.
I
don't
think
wanna
Adele
talk.
is coming though.
Do
And I
not.
would not kill guys, but I would do everything to get into an Adele concert.
One concert I would like to go to is Adele, and if Adele is coming to that wedding, I don't want to go to Adele. No. If you're
Adele?
coming to perform in an
Adele
Ambani
दीदी
शादी.
तुम्हें ऐकताय ना?
But why?
Did you just call her Didi? She's mother.
So Adele chachi.
Adele mother.
But
No,
whatever.
oh,
guys.
that way. I was like, she has a child, so Adele mother.
Ew.
Like Priyanka mother.
Lana Del Rey is also
Lana Del Rey
rumored
to
to
I
come.
have.
But क्यों नहीं
Young
हो
and
रही है
beautiful.
ये
One
शादी?
song by her is famous.
No,
Not
so many
famous.
songs
only.
are famous. What are you saying? You know only
Guys!
one song. Sorry, but the wedding.
Hmm.
I love their outfits. Except one. I
Did
didn't like
you
the
see
haldi
the
outfit.
Mogra wala
I didn't like the haldi
chunni.
outfit at
इतना
all.
प्यारा लगा
It was
मुझे
so
वो.
bad.
It was
उसमें
so
कीड़े नहीं आ रहे
प्यारा.
होंगे?
कीड़े नहीं आते मोगरे पे.
नहीं आते?
उसमें वो छोटे छोटे ग्रीन कैटरपिलर्स होंगे तो मस्त से
अंबानी के घर में कीड़े नहीं आते होंगे
हाँ.
मेरे साथ.
अभी हर एक फूल को थोड़ी खोल के देखेंगे.
देख सकते हैं
अरे भाई
एक्चुअली.
फूल के अंदर नहीं होते कीड़े बट वो अंदर घुस जाते हैं बट ते कड़ा होता है फूल नहीं होता थे.
But there is probably one person for each kali in their wedding to
बहुत
check if there
ज़्यादा
are
वो
कीड़ाs
नहीं
or
हो
not. Is how elaborate the wedding has become now.
Yeah, that's true.
Too much.
But I love the chunni.
There was a cruise.
Yeah.
I did
why.
not
And
even
also, do you know
what?
I-
My cruise vacation happened on the same day that Ambani cruise left, and so many people thought that I was on that cruise. I was just telling them, yes, I was.
Photos, outfit pictures.
No, it was very exclusive. We couldn't take
You
pictures
were not
with them.
pabbed.
We couldn't take pictures with them. No, I wasn't.
But इतना extravagant मैंने life में कभी नहीं देखा है कोई चीज.
हाँ यार, अब मैं थक गई उनकी
I
शादी
don't
से.
think I don't think there has been a fancier wedding.
I don't think this is a
I
wedding.
keep thinking about your wedding a lot though.
No wedding is happening. Oh my god, please skip.
नाबालिग है हमारी लड़की.
नाबालिग only.
नहीं है.
बालिक है.
नहीं, I was married at her age.
She was.
I was married at 24.
I'm not 24.
You're 25.
I'm 19.
You should have been married yesterday.
I'm
Yesterday.
I mean last year.
no, I'm 19.
Yeah.
So like I was going through these wedding posts because now it has become a fad of sorts.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I was just scrolling through and a very random story I came across and I really want to share it with you and like look at your faces while you listen to this.
All by yours to you.
Guys, as you know, I don't have a fiance.
Yet.
But I'm just going, this person has written this about his fiance and his experience in their beautiful wedding. So, मेरे fiance और मैं इस साल के आखिर में शादी करने का प्लान बना रहे हैं.
Wow.
हमने अपने वेडिंग के लिए एक छोटा सा बजट बनाया था. हमारी शादी छोटी सी होगी, सिर्फ 30 गेस्ट के साथ. So basically a COVID
What
wedding.
a cute guy.
COVID
If he
wedding of
thinks
sorts.
it's going to be a cute wedding. I mean a small wedding.
It can happen. Then हमने डेकोरेशंस खुद बनाए हैं. Only ऑनलाइन RSVPs कर लिए हैं. और हमारा वेडिंग केक मॉन्जिनीस से ऑर्डर किया है.
Ouch.
अगर कोई RSVP नहीं करके आएगा, not entry.
Actually, that is what RSVPs
Yeah, it
are.
is supposed to be, but आएगा तो तुम मना थोड़ी कर देगी भाई.
मैं तो कर दूंगी.
ये कर देगी.
मतलब मुझे करना पड़ेगा.
ये कर देगी.
इस सब के बदले मेरी फियांसे और मैं एक बहुत एक्सपेंसिव हनीमून पे जाने वाले थे और ये तू है। तो मैं अपनी फियांसे को वेडिंग ड्रेस खरीदने के लिए छोड़ दिया क्योंकि मुझे लगा वो मैच्योर इनफ होगी,
Bad decision.
बजट के अंदर रह लेगी। नाउ फिर मुझे पता चला कि उसने अपना ड्रेस पे 10 लाख रुपए खर्च कर दिए, जो वो सिर्फ एक बार पहनेगी लाइफ में।
That's a small wedding.
उसने आर्ग्यू किया कि ये उसका ड्रीम वेडिंग ड्रेस था और उसने मेरे लिए अगली वेडिंग का कॉम्प्रोमाइज किया था, सो द ड्रेस इज समथिंग दैट शी कंसीडर्स अ विन विन।
I think fair.
या
ये मैं नहीं है।
I think fair because she's not spending anywhere else in the entire wedding.
मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता था कि वो ऐसा फील करती थी अबाउट द वेडिंग, क्योंकि उसने कभी एक्सप्रेस नहीं किया था।
हाँ,
ये
करना
दोनों को
चाहिए था
सेपरेट
उसको।
शादी करनी चाहिए, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है।
उसने कहा कि वो ड्रेस अफोर्ड कर सकती है, लेकिन हम दोनों के बजट के हिसाब से हम ये ड्रेस अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते।
एग्जैक्टली
हमारे पास अभी तक अपना घर भी नहीं है।
एग्जैक्टली
Exactly, तेरे को क्या पता?
हर चीज में एग्जैक्टली नहीं बोल सकती ना खुशी।
ओके।
नहीं हो
double
सकता है,
tone
हो
की।
सकता है.
हम ड्रेस और हनीमून ट्रिप दोनों अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते, और मुझे यकीन है कि ड्रेस कस्टम मेड था और ये रिटर्न नहीं हो सकता। तो मैंने तुरंत अपनी हनीमून ट्रिप कैंसिल कर दी।
Divorce, guys, divorce has
शादी
happened in the
नहीं
next
मतलब
line. I'm telling you.
ये ट्रिप एजेंसी के थ्रू बुक किया था, सो ही गॉट सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अ रिफंड ऑफ 2500 रुपीज ओनली।
2,500 रुपए सिर्फ?
हाँ, अगर मैं और थोड़ा लेट
इनका
करता
लोनावला जा रहा था?
क्या ही
2,500 का रिफंड? लोनावला में भी नहीं आएगा रिफंड 2,500 का। I'm telling
अगर मैं
you.
थोड़ा और लेट करता तो कैंसिलेशन और महंगा हो
तो
जाता।
नहीं करता।
2,500?
जब उसने सुना, लाइक द ब्राइड हर्ड कि मैंने हनीमून कैंसिल कर दिया है, तो वो बहुत गुस्सा हो गई।
गुस्सा बस, that's it.
उसने कहा कि मुझे हनीमून कैंसिल करने का कोई हक नहीं है।
हाँ।
अगर मैंने ये चीज फिक्स नहीं की तो वो हनीमून पे अकेले चली जाएगी।
ऑब्वियसली
Queen, go girl, you go
मैं उसके
girl.
साथ
I'm
हूँ।
with her.
Doesn't make sense. The honeymoon is already cancelled. Anyway,
I'm with her though.
हाँ।
पूरा वेडिंग
रेचल
पार्टी,
भी गई थी अरूबा अकेले.
हाँ
Sorry,
Yes.
continue.
पूरा वेडिंग
कंगना रनौत भी
पार्टी।
गई थी.
अबे
Sorry, continue,
यार।
continue.
कंगना रनौत की शादी हुई है।
अरे
कंगना रनौत की
क्वीन
शादी
में
हुई है।
हीरोइन.
ओ क्वीन
Queen है यार।
पूरा वेडिंग पार्टी इसमें इन्वॉल्व हो गया और उसके फ्रेंड्स मुझे मर्सीलेसली हैमर करना चालू कर दिया। उसके डैड भी मुझसे नाराज हो गए
Ouch.
एंड मेरे फ्रेंड्स और मेरी फैमिली मेरे साइड पे थी। सो एम आई द एसहोल हियर? बट देन
Yes.
ऑर्डिनरीली मैं इतना बड़ा डिसीजन अपनी फियांसे से डिस्कस किए बिना नहीं लेता, लेकिन वो ड्रेस के बारे में बात करने से मना कर रही थी और
ये गलत
डिस्कस नहीं कर रही थी कि हम इसे अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते। लाइक शी वाज नॉट अग्रीइंग। हम दोनों ड्रेस और हनीमून अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते थे और हम वेट भी नहीं कर सकते थे।
Okay.
हमने हनीमून क्रेडिट कार्ड पे बुक किया था
Ouch.
पॉइंट्स के लिए। हम अफोर्ड
इस बात में कोई पॉइंट नहीं है.
नहीं, लॉजिकल है
Continue,
यार।
continue.
हम अफोर्ड
इसको क्या पता? क्रेडिट कार्ड, डेबिट कार्ड है तेरे पास? ATM?
डेबिट है मेरे पास,
आधार
credit
कार्ड है
नहीं
तेरे पास? Continue, sorry.
हम अफोर्ड कर सकते थे और कुछ सेविंग्स भी बचा सकते थे अगर हमने क्रेडिट कार्ड से हनीमून बुक किया था।
सेविंग्स कर लेते थे. गलत लिख रहा है. मैं I have a lot of problem with
आई
the
थिंक
vocabulary. Continue.
नॉट इंडियन। उसने ड्रेस पे 10 लाख रुपए खर्च कर दिए। उसने अपनी सेविंग्स का ऑलमोस्ट सब कुछ खर्च कर दिया था। उसके
10
अकाउंट में
लाख की सेविंग्स थे उसके।
उसके अकाउंट में सिर्फ 100 रुपए बचे थे और ये हनीमून भी पे करने के लिए काफी नहीं है। सो शादी के एडिशनल कॉस्ट भी आ सकते हैं। उसकी कंडीशन ऐसी हो
Bore
गई
कर
है,
रहा है अभी ये, खत्म करना.
उसकी अरे
I
यार
have so much to say. Hence.
या बट
एग्जैक्टली
उसकी कंडीशन ऐसी हो गई है कि वो पेचेक टू पेचेक जिएगी, लेकिन अगर हम हनीमून पर गए तो हम क्रेडिट कार्ड बिल भी पे करना पड़ेगा हमें।
ये दोनों
करना
को
पड़ेगा।
शादी नहीं करनी चाहिए, ये गलत लोग शादी कर रहे हैं।
बट देयर इज नो कम्युनिकेशन इज द प्रॉब्लम हियर।
नहीं, there's no communication.
बट गाइस 10 लाख का लहंगा,
I am saying कि she made a mistake. I agree. लेकिन
शिमिका made a
उसने
huge
क्या, तो वो
mistake।
लड़का भी वही करेगा क्या? बिना पूछे कर
और
देगा क्या?
ऐसा कौन सा
तो
हनीमून
गलत
है कि
है.
रिफंड में सिर्फ 2,500 मिलता है?
ये
अरे
तो ठीक है. That is okay. I can believe that happening. But I'm telling you, like, if she has made a mistake, doesn't give him the authority to make a mistake and then justify it, saying कि you have already made a mistake. So yes, he is one.
नो ही इज नॉट।
He is. Yeah, of
Guys,
course he is.
पैसा भी तो होना चाहिए भरने के
10
लिए।
लाख का लहंगा
अरे
कौन
I get
खरीदता है?
it, but I am not saying
एक
she
kidney
did the
बेचना
right thing.
पड़ेगा।
I'm not saying she did the right thing. I'm saying she was wrong, but doesn't give him the right to be wrong also, knowingly.
I don't think 10 लाख kidney is the correct math.
या
10
पूरा
लाख
body
किडनी
बेचना
तेरी
पड़ेगा।
किडनी का 10
No,
लाख
but
में
no. What he did was correct. Like what if the situation
मैं
was
बता रही हूँ दोनों को
कि
शादी
what
नहीं
he
करनी
did was
चाहिए थी।
right. I'm not saying he did something that was wrong. I'm saying he should have talked it out with her.
मैं तो सिचुएशन समझा रही हूँ।
वो तो
What
करना
if?
चाह रहा था, लड़की ने नहीं किया। That is what he told
उसने तो
ना.
कर दिया ना रिफंड जाके.
तो बेवकूफ नहीं है.
अरे
I like her.
नहीं, सिचुएशन ऐसा था कि अभी 11:59 हो गया है, 12 बजे रिफंड अगर करने जाएगा तो 5,000 रुपए भी नहीं है, मतलब 5,000 रुपए कट जाएगा. तो
5,000
उसको
भी
zero
नहीं
में
वो मैं
जाएगा.
समझ गई. I'm saying when he's talking to her, it can't be like कि मतलब when he's writing it, he's written it in a tone कि उसने कर दिया तो am I wrong? तो मैं भी कर दूंगा.
I don't care. He was correct.
I just feel both are not made for each other.
You
But
are
like
not
have-
ready to get married.
I am
तू
not.
कर ले. तेरा हो गया है. I think you're there mentally.
But there are like a lot of these stories online. Have you guys ever come
But
across
10 लाख का
any?
लहंगा bro.
But bro, मनीष मल्होत्रा, सब्यसाची.
और बहुत डिजाइनर्स हैं.
मेरे को
दुनिया
तो ही पता है.
दो ही
साड़ी
डिजाइनर लेके
पहनो
ऐसे
यार.
एक्साइट क्या हो रही है?
साड़ी भी
Do
वो
you
बनाते
know
हैं.
why there was only Manish Malhotra worn in the Ambani wedding? Who? Because they have 40% stake in Manish Malhotra's label and zero in Sabyasachi.
Scandal.
Yeah.
It's not.
Anyway, 10 lakh का लहंगा. Would you buy a very expensive
No,
लहंगा?
I would not. I would rent a lehenga. I am only
ये ऐसे
going to
लगा
wear
था
it
मेरे को.
once.
मैं
I
भी
will
बोली थी कि
buy
मेरी माँ ने 2 थप्पड़ लगाए
3,000
मुझे. मेरे को
की
बोला
साड़ी.
कि रेंटली पहनते हैं शादी में.
उसने बजट सेट कर
मैंने
दिया.
एक्चुअली पहना था 3-3.5 हजार का ही था मेरा नौवारी इन माय वेडिंग.
इससे महंगा साड़ी नहीं. इससे एकदम मस्त.
ऐसा लगता है सबको ऐसे ही लगता है. Then you enter a shop to actually shop your wedding clothes.
मैं
and then
बोलूंगी नहीं, मैं दुल्हन हूँ. बोलूंगी साड़ी दिखाओ अंकल, मम्मी के लिए चाहिए.
ऐसे ही लगता है सबको. Then you enter that place and then things happen to you. And you come out and you're like, what did I just do? I swear, I went to a shop in Thane that had very beautiful lehengas, and I still see that lehenga in my dreams sometimes. I'm not even exaggerating. It was a beautiful kalamkari lehenga. There was like actual work done on it, embroidered. My dad was like, le. I was like, Dad, आपने बोल दिया बस है. I did not buy that lehenga. It was bomb. It was some 80,000 rupees का lehenga. But I was looking so pretty in it. My dad was like, ले ले, को चाहिए तो ले ले. And then I was like, नहीं, it's pointless.
एक साल का savings.
But then I was like, nahi, it's pointless for one day. Why would you buy something that expensive? And I look good in everything. So I could look
Oh my god.
like I could wear 1,000 rupee lehenga and just look just as good.
Confidence.
And then I went to Buleshwar and I got my lehenga, which costed me 1/4 of the price. Looked twice as good.
या मेरे को आपकी वेडिंग की स्टोरी बताओ यार.
वेडिंग की स्टोरी.
हाँ.
Wedding की
इसको
story
तो इसको
बताओ.
मत बताओ, इसको सब पता है.
मेरे
इसको
पास-
तो पता है.
मैं तो थी.
मतलब थी. She wasn't actually there for the important stuff. She wasn't there for my wedding
Dude,
shopping.
I had exams.
You were not
Doesn't
there when
matter.
Isha's birthday.
She wasn't there for Isha's birth also. She wasn't there for my wedding shopping also.
For Isha's first birthday also you were not there. Only for
I was there for
only
Isha's
for
birthday.
2 घंटा.
Yeah.
You were also not there.
Oh, you were also not there for Isha's birthday. Anyway, so
शादी
wedding
guys.
story you want to know.
Yes.
I'll tell you. It's first of all an arranged marriage. But
It
nobody
is not.
See, but nobody believes it when I say it's an arranged marriage. It's a completely arranged marriage.
No,
Are
it's
you?
not.
We just knew each other from our bachpan basically.
Bachpan birth.
Bachpan, matlab, he had come to see me when I was born.
That
Just-
is how bachpan.
It just goes that bad.
But
filmy this
and his daddy had put
Arey wait.
a ring in her hand when she was 1 month old. His daddy.
And his ring. So whenever our families, मतलब ऐसे होता है ना बच्चों को देखने आते तो you get them
हाँ.
gold rings or something when it's very close.
हाँ.
So his दादी after we got married told us कि उसको जो ring आई थी Sumit ring only she had given me when I was 1 month old. तो she was like मैंने तो तभी decide कर लिया था तुम लोग पता नहीं क्या time pass कर रहे हो.
Destined.
कर रहे हो.
Then basically he used to come on every birthday of mine. There's a picture every year with me standing in the center, him and his brother on 2 sides, and both of them give me the same 100 chocolates ka dabba every year, and
Yeah.
I'm just like, thank you. Those are some very cute pictures we have. And then we
Cut
grew
to
up.
them being married.
कट्टू नहीं रुकना बीच में स्टोरी है भाई क्या कट्टू.
क्या story
Yeah.
है बीच में?
Then he got internship in Mumbai,
Yeah.
and he's like 5 years older than me.
Hmm.
So then he got his internship. I was in my 10th standard.
Hmm.
So he was living in Mumbai and we don't have a lot of family in Mumbai. So then my dad was like, you come stay with us only. So then he used to stay with us also.
Hmm.
For 6-7 months, I think he stayed with us. And he used to check my papers. I used to give these.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I used to give these.
He used to give her extra marks.
He
for
didn't
good
give me extra
handwriting.
marks.
Oh
He
my
used to
God.
cut my marks. He never gave me full marks, and I used to only fight with him for that. But then we were very good friends. Basically, we used to talk.
Very.
And then he shifted
Only
to Singapore.
friends.
Then he shifted to Singapore. Then he was in other countries basically for the next 4-5 years. And then we just spoke on the call. But nothing. There was nothing. And then one fine day, my parents are like, listen, we're getting him married. Are you interested? And I was like, yeah. And I also did not know it was a yeah. And then his parents also, like his side of the family also asked that to him independently. And he also was like, yeah, but ask her. And then both of us realized we have said yes. We did not talk to each other yet.
Yeah.
And then after everything is done, he called me up and he's like, listen, is this also happening? Do you know? I'm like, yeah. He's like,
There are so many yas in
we've
it.
already committed to this. I'm like, yeah. He's like, oh, wow, congratulations. I'm like,
Congrats
congratulations.
to you too.
And I was like, I think 22 when I said that yes.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was that natural, guys. I'm telling you, like, when it's there, you just know.
But she says it was not there. Once he was coming back from Singapore or Netherlands or somewhere.
For some reason, when I was in
Yeah.
my 10th standard when he was leaving, and
You
when he
started
was
crying.
leaving, and I just started crying. I didn't even know why.
No, but the next time
And
he
then
was...
my dad sees me, he's like, why are you crying? He's going to Singapore. His parents cried. I understand. Why are you crying?
Yeah.
I'm
She
like, I
had
don't
gone
know.
to pick him up once with
Haan.
flowers.
Yeah, and it was Valentine's Day. It was
Huh.
14th Feb, and he was landing from Singapore after 1.5 years. And randomly, I go to pick him up with my dad, and there is no plan. But at 11:45, there is a person standing there selling rose bouquets, and I just buy it and I give it to him. This was
इधर शुरू हुआ है सब.
in my 10th standard. I'm telling
नहीं
you.
वो पेपर चेकिंग
Bakwas.
But
But
it
it just happened.
Heart.
No. But I'm telling you, it just happened very naturally. Like there was
Yeah.
nothing. It was completely platonic till we decided to get married.
But
No,
her,
but after that, it's only been war.
like when her wedding started, she was already on her way to the stage, and I was the last person to get ready. So the parlor didi was like curling my hair, and my dad has come to the room and he's like, "अभी अगर तू नहीं आई तो मैं उसकी शादी करा रहा हूँ." I have not worn heels. I have picked up my lehenga with one curled strand, and I have run downstairs and I have stood behind her. That chunni thing is there, no? She's walking.
The
I
Din
am behind.
Shagnada moment
Huh.
happened where everyone is like,
holding the chin.
yeah. I'll
One
tell you
curl.
what happened with that Din Shagnada moment also. I was standing and now I'm like, meko leke jana. Like I was the first person in my entire college to get married almost.
Oh yeah.
And I'm the eldest sibling also amongst our hundreds of cousins.
Yeah.
So of cousins.
Everyone has come to me. There were 700 people for my wedding
Yeah.
in Mumbai. Okay, I'm not even from Mumbai. I'm from Nadia.
700?
Yeah, there were 700
Yeah.
people. And then all of them have come, and now I've asked my brother and my cousins to, and my sisters to stand and hold this chunni on my head. These idiots, I'm telling you, are just standing all ऐसे headless chickens जैसे घूम रहे हैं मेरे आजू बाजू. I'm like,
The song
and then I
started.
was like, guys, वो गाना लगा रही है, and I have become this manager now again.
Bridezilla.
It's just in me. I'm this elder sibling. And I'm just like, guys, you stand here, you stand here, you stand here, you stand here. And I'm yelling at them. I'm like, 2 minutes before I get married. I'm like, अरे ऊपर पकड़ मेरा चुन्नी नहीं दिख रहा है, मेरा सर ढक रहा है. They have all now held that chunni.
And I did not hold it.
She did not hold it. She
I
stood
just
in
walked
front of
behind
me.
her.
She walked. I
But
think we
तू
were in
तो
front of
करवली
me.
रहेगी
Oh
ना.
yeah, no, I was in the front.
Anyway, and then my mama has come, and then
Yeah.
everyone is standing holding this chunni now. And I suddenly realized there is a group of 8 people just staring at me. And I look at them and I realize it's Sumit's office people. I'm like, they have just seen me do this. Oh God. And then I was like, hi. And then I just turned because I don't know what to
But
do.
I think that is when they realize that he's in good hands. Yeah, he can be managed.
Probably. And then we started walking, okay? So this chunni is now held. And my 2 idiotic brothers. Idiotic, I'm telling you. One is my
प्रथम.
Real brother.
real brother.
One is
if
cousin.
that is, and one is my cousin.
हाँ.
Both of them were standing in front of me. These idiots had one job to hold that damn chunni. Both of them. Now, how stupid is this? To hold a chunni, and both of them are holding from the wrong hand. So Pratham is held it from the right hand, standing in my right. And this Guddu has held it from the left hand and standing in my front. Both of them are covering me
Inside the chunni.
And I have realized it after taking 10 steps when everyone has now moved to see me. I have realized it 10 steps in and I have started, I can't yell. So I'm smiling. I'm like, गधो, तुम लोगों ने गलत हाथ से पकड़ा. Pratham, change your hand. Change your hand. And then Pratham has gone out. And this guy is still not. And after 10 more steps, I'm like, अबे तू उधर जाना. Then I had another sister who was walking and she's like, Didi, how चलना? I'm wearing heels. I'm unable to. Are you
This is our
kidding me
youngest-
right now?
This is our youngest baby sister.
Yeah, Sanika, and she's wearing heels. I'm like, I'm wearing 10 kilos of lehenga. I could not walk. Like, क्या हो रहा है, guys? And then, like, once we have reached into the aisle, I see Sumit and I start crying.
Yeah.
And I'm like, अब कुछ भी करो, I'm just
Now I
walking.
am looking at her and I start crying. Because, no, don't cry.
And then all of us went to the...
Tap, tap, tap.
Yeah, and then I got married.
700 people. It was a
Then I
huge
got
wedding.
married, and as soon as the Varmala has happened, okay, I'm literally putting the Varmala in Sumit's neck.
Yeah, neck.
And then my friend Roshni has come and she's in my ear saying, by the way, your makeup wali is gone. Huh? I'm like, what? Like, that was shocking. That was more important for me at that point. Because I had two more
You have to do
changes left.
fairas.
I had to do fairas in my Nawari.
But क्यों गई वो?
खाना खाने
उसके
गए
डैड बाली जा रहे थे तो उसको जाना था. That's the answer I got. So basically then I was just lost and I did my own makeup for the second one, but I felt like a bridezilla because I was freaking out everywhere. I was like, ये किधर है, वो किधर है? I couldn't find anything. But yeah, that was fun, man.
I just agree with her at this point. क्योंकि ना
You
मैंने-
agree with me being a bridezilla?
No, but the whole scenario जो makeup वाली चली गई वाला. case.
It's the worst thing that happened to you at a wedding.
Yeah.
I'm including the guy running away. I'm including that.
But I've read this story on Reddit.
तुम लोग कुछ ज्यादा Reddit पे नहीं बैठ रहे हो?
It's the most fun place to be
Drama और कहाँ मिलता है?
at. I swear.
At least we are not interested in our people's drama like others.
Okay.
We are not the
God.
snobby aunties.
Yeah.
Sannu ki.
So वो story was simply like कि, for example, my fiance, not my
Your
guys,
fiance.
not mine, but the story
Cute.
was like कि वो ऐसे बता रही है उसमें कि मेरे fiance को उसकी ex girlfriend ने अपनी शादी में बुलाया है, वो भी गाना गाने के लिए.
नहीं
Like,
समझा.
how
Repeat.
मेरे fiance को किसी ने
उस बंदी के fiance
हाँ उस
को.
बंदी के fiance को किसी उसकी ex girlfriend ने बंदे की ex girlfriend ने अपनी शादी में love song गाने के लिए बुलाया.
Ew. That's a bad decision.
That is a very bad decision. So ये इतना
चन्ना
hook
मेरा
line
याद है?
था. नहीं, ये इतना hook line था and I was very
मैं
much
दिल
interested
में
कि
obviously.
क्या हो रहा है.
Yeah.
तो उसमें ऐसा था कि वो जो ex बंदी है वो
Ex बंदी है nice. I like ex बंदी
हाँ,
more than ex
वो और
girlfriend.
ये fiance जो है ये दोनों डेट नहीं करते, ये दोनों फ्रेंड्स
What
विद
is
बेनिफिट्स
this?
जैसे थे.
Gestures. हाँ.
हाँ
Okay.
फ्रेंड्स विद बेनिफिट्स वाले इसमें थे.
Listen na yaar,
You
bro,
was a
story.
little too harsh. या आजकल लोग कर रहे हैं, मत करो गाइस. बट या तो वो वैसे फ्रेंड्स विद बेनिफिट्स वाले इसमें थे एंड नो बट नन ऑफ देम एवर शेयर्ड देयर फीलिंग.
हाँ.
ठीक है, और ये बंदी इतनी पागल है.
The ex or the actual?
Ex.
Okay.
मतलब ये जो एक्चुअल बंदी है उसने लिखा था अपने फियांसे और उसकी एक्स बंदी का.
समझा.
तो वो बोल शी जस्ट सेड कि इनका मतलब फ्रेंड्स विद बेनिफिट चल रहा था एंड देन ऑल ऑफ अ सडन वो बीच बीच में ऐसे एफबीज के फोटोज वीडियोस वगैरह भेजती थी.
Ew.
तो रैंडमली वन डे व्हेन ही फाइनली फेल इन लव विथ हर, लव
With his
ऑफ
ex?
हिज लाइफ, नो
Oh,
जो
with the
बंदी
girl.
है,
हाँ, okay.
उसके साथ फियांसे जिसकी
बहुत है कंफ्यूज कर रही
समझिए
हो.
मैं.
अरे एक्स बंदी फियांसे जो लिख रही है वो.
हाँ, okay.
ओके,
हाँ,
तो
got
लेट्स
it.
नेम दिस
Y के साथ. Why?
Yeah, this is Y.
Hmm.
This is Y. This is X.
हाँ, X
ठीक
is
है.
X.
तो अभी जब भी बंदे को Y से बहुत प्यार हो गया,
हाँ.
तो बंदे ने जाके X को बताया.
X
क्योंकि-
को बताया.
मतलब X के साथ वो
समझ
अभी
रहे
बात
भाई
कर रहा
ये.
था ना,
Oh.
तो उसने जनरली X को बताया कि ब्रो फ्रेंड्स विद बेनिफिट्स बंद, अभी मेरे को बंदी मिल गई है.
Ew.
ऐसे उसने बताया. तो ये बंदी को ऐसा हिट हो गया कि oh my god, I was in love with you. ऐसे
ऐसे मत कर यार.
सो ये
Be
बंदी ने
sensitive.
उसको ऐसे बोला. तो ये बंदे ने ये मतलब जो बंदा है उसने एक्स को बोला कि पागल है क्या अपन तो
Okay, got it.
हाँ ऐसे फ्रेंड्स विद बेनिफिट्स में थे और अपना डिस्कशन
It
हुआ
sounds
था
like a rom-com.
या
I can tell you 10 movies with the same plot. हाँ, sorry.
तो ये बंदी ने उसको ऐसे ऐसे देखा और फिर
ऐसे देखा
थोड़ा रोई
पता उसको देख.
अरे वो उसने इतना मस्त डिस्क्राइब किया था कि वो ऐसे उसको देखी फिर ऐसे थोड़ा सा रोई वोई वगैरह
Ouch.
एंड देन ये बंदा बहुत लॉयल है यू नो
काहेगा लॉयल इधर छोड़ के
तो
भाग
उसने
जाना है।
उसने उसने जाके ऐसे भाई को बताया कि "वाह, मेरी लाइफ में ऐसा वैसा हो रहा है तो वो ऐसे ज्ञान दिया रहेगा
क्या
उसने
मुंह
कुछ।
में बोले अभी कुछ नहीं समझा लास्ट लाइन.
ज्ञान दिया उसने कुछ
क्या
इस बंदी ने उसको ज्ञान दिया कि ये सब
क्या a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab.
तो उसने कुछ तो उसको बोला
Maths
so
is
now coming to the reality this is the back story now इतना रोने के बाद 3 हफ्ते में ये बंदी को एक नया बंदा मिल गया जिससे वो अगले महीने ही शादी कर रही है
ब्यूटीफुल
हाँ
Splitsvilla.
एक्चुअली फिर उसके बाद ये बंदी उसको जाके बोल रही है एक्स जाके वो बंदे को बोल रही है कि लिसन
I'm getting married
या आई एम गेटिंग मैरिड
before you.
हाँ
Shame on you.
It sounds like Rachel.
या आई एम गेटिंग मैरिड तो तुम मेरे शादी में ये गाना गाओगे क्या तो एक सबसे पहली बात वो इन दोनों को इनवाइट कर रही है
Okay.
और इनवाइट कर रही है और
What fair? What world are you guys
Oh,
living
If
in?
the guy gets invited, the girl gets invited.
या
guys.
एक्चुअली
Continue.
मैं तो जाने ही ना दूं क्यों जाना मेरे को लेके जाने का तो बेसिकली ये जो है ये उसको ऐसे बोल रही है
हाँ.
कि मेरे शादी में तू गाना गा
हाँ.
सो नाउ द पॉइंट इज कि ये उसने बोला वो बंदे ने इस एक्स को बोला कि देख बहन मेरे को
देख बहन अब तू मेरी बहन है
Ew.
सो बेसिकली
रक्षाबंधन पे मिलेंगे
अरे जाना यार तो ही जस्ट सिंपली सेड कि ब्रो मेरे को बहुत टाइम हो गया बजाए हुए गाना वाना
बजाए हुए?
अरे म्यूजिक का कुछ भी करते हुए
ठीक
काफी
है,
टाइम
बोल
हो
आगे
गया
बोल जल्दी.
हाँ तो उसने सब बोला फिर उसके बाद ही इज लाइक कि लिसन आई कांट
Sing at a wedding.
आई एम वेरी बिजी इन माय लाइफ तेरे साथ मिलना नहीं हो ऐसे करके उसको बोला तो स्टिल शी एंड दिस पर्सन गोज टू हर फियांसे एक्स अपने फियांसे को जाके उसको
Wow, so many
हाँ,
fiancés.
फियांसे ये अपने फियांसे
Ex
को
has
जाके
gone
बोल
to
रही है
Z.
अब ये अपने फियांसे को बोल रही है कि ये कैसा है ऐसा और ये सब सुनाई दे रहा है इन दोनों को जब ये बात हो रही है
Okay.
सो दिस वन इज वेरी पिस्ड शी इज लाइक कोई इतना बेवकूफ कैसे हो सकता है
Yeah.
एक तो तुम किसी को इनवाइट कर रहे हो ये दोनों में हो रहा है वाई और बंदे में कि इनवाइट कर रहे हो
Yeah.
और फिर ऊपर से तुम चाहते हो कि वो गाना
गाना
भी
भी
बजे
गाए?
फिर उसके बाद ये अभी इतना यू नो इतना ह्यूमन वाला इंसान है इसने बोला कि हाँ
Human
ठीक है
वाला?
Sensitive.
सेंसिटिव इंसान है
ह्यूमन वाला इंसान
कि वो बोलता है कि हाँ ठीक है
Dictionary भी like.
यस मैं आके करूंगा परफॉर्म सो नाउ हर क्वेश्चन वाज कि मतलब ये एक वाई का क्वेश्चन वाज कि क्या पागल है क्या ऐसे क्यों कर रही है ये कोई मुझे बता सकता है सो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा वो स्टोरी सुन के
क्या
मैंने सिर्फ नीचे लिखा कि
तूने लिखा?
हाँ जस्ट मतलब ऐसे कमेंट किया कि गुड गोइंग गुड गोइंग ना
Who is good going? X, Y, Z, A.
वो लोग देखे
ए
स्टोरी मेरे लिए गुड गोइंग
बंदे को
थी वो बंद आई एम जस्ट हैप्पी दैट द गाय इज सो लॉयल वो सब आगे बता रहा है
But this is more of a crazy ex story than a bridezilla story.
बट
नहीं, वो bride थी ना, but She was
She's
the
a
bride now. उसकी शादी हो रही है ना.
Crazy person.
ये बेचारी का तो पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है
I think
है वो कहीं तो है वो
I don't think that girl should marry the guy that she's
No,
marrying.
I think
the
she
ex.
should.
No,
the
why?
ex girl.
ये आई थिंक शी हैज स्किप्ड हिम एज अ सेकंड
ये
ओपिनियन
जो
Second
तेरा
option
चालू
नहीं है
है।
वो टाइम पास में कर रही है.
शादी-
She's just it's a
शादी को
rebound.
टाइम पास में करता है कैसा
It's
पैसा
a
खर्च होता है
rebound, guys. It's a rebound.
I think she is doing it so that she can call the guy to the wedding and the guy can sing some lovey-dovey song and fall in love with her again.
नहीं नहीं नहीं.
वो आल्सो शी
नहीं नहीं नहीं
नो
नहीं.
नो आई थिंक शी वांट्स टू मेक अ फूल कि वो बंदा वो बंदी के साथ उधर खड़ा रह के गाना गा रहा है और ये दोनों चोमू जैसे ये एक्स नहीं ये वाई और ये एक्स का फियांसे उधर बैठ के ये दोनों
क्या है
ऐसे देखे कि वाओ गाइस
It's
Beautiful.
not that for sure.
I
It's
think-
not that. No. I think she's getting married as a rebound.
Or she
only.
does not have a
मैं
wedding.
बोल
या तो-
सकती हूँ अपना
या तो-
ओपिनियन मैं
या
मान
तो-
सकती हूँ.
या
मान तो सकती है
मान।
मैं बोल रही
वो
हूँ
एक्स का जो फियांसे है ना
मान
मुझे
तो
लगता
सकती
है
हूँ
वो
मानने
अंबानी में
दे
से कोई
ही रहे हो
रहेगा।
तुम लोग.
but guys
Huh?
what if this is the same girl who spent 10 lakh on her lehenga and now she does not have budget is why she has called her ex-boyfriend to sing.
Damn.
आई फील ये स्टोरी लाइन अप हो रही है
यही है वो same है
Even
वो.
if she is not, I think she's going to be.
yeah
क्योंकि
Yeah.
बंदा तो सही नहीं है उसके लिए वो. So I have games again this time also, just like we did last time, and you guys miserably failed at them. But these are fun games. You're not pass fail वाला GK नहीं test हो रहा
Thanks.
तुम्हारा, so you can just chill out.
Failure will be fame
Okay,
होगा.
wait now. This is wedding theme, so wedding questions. Assuming you guys are each other's bridesmaids, maid of honors. I don't know. You guys discuss
Karavli.
that later. That's
Karavli,
drama
okay.
for later. But these are what would you do in this situation? You are a bridesmaid to her. You are a bridesmaid to her. Okay.
Got it. Who's answering first?
She will answer. Choo choo. No. I'll ask you.
हाँ.
Okay. The situation is you've just found out that she's starting to get cold feet right before her wedding. What will you do? Go.
बाइक लेके ऐसे खड़े
What?
रहेंगे खींचे
Bro,
जाते हैं
क्यों?
नहीं करना है
Convince ही नहीं करना.
I'm not letting her near you at your wedding at all. This is not the solution.
I need you right beside me.
If this happens, no wedding is happening, guys. Every bride gets cold feet.
It's okay.
No, but I will do that.
I don't like this reaction.
Logical.
Cancel
acquisition.
question, cancel. Second question to you. She doesn't like her lehenga on her wedding day. What will you do?
I don't know what to do after this. You've spent almost like 30-40% of your wedding budget on your lehenga. How can you not like it on the day?
Is this how you will console her?
Yeah, I will yell at
Actually,
her.
it might work. It might work.
I'll probably give you a slap or two. I'm like, no, Kushi.
Tough love. Tough love. Okay, fine. Now you answer the situation. Okay? She starts crying at the end of every function right before the photographs.
मैं एक
What
थप्पड़ मारूंगी
थप्पड़ क्यों मार रहे हो एक दूसरे को यार?
बट फोटोग्राफर होगा ना वहाँ पे मेरे को
But
chill
either
कराने
way
के
she'll cry, no? तो थप्पड़ मारेगी तो भी रोएगी.
तो मैं उसको से गले लगाऊंगी और उसको आंखें
I don't think you guys should be each other's bridesmaids.
लिए. We should.
Now what do you do if you like now you have just found out that her makeup wali has ran away? What do you do?
I call Priyanka Bharti.
I knew it as soon as I ended my question.
She's the only person I know that can do makeup. Nice.
Yeah, actually,
That's
it'll
fun.
work out. It'll work out. That way, at least I'll get invited to her.
Because I can
wedding.
only
You
put
will be
eyeliner
already
on.
invited.
Okay, cute. Okay, I'm done with this. Let's do the next round.
Mine
okay?
was better.
Who was better between you two? None of y'all. None of y'all.
No,
Bad
but at
answers.
least now we know that we both respond to violence.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is something.
Everyone
That is how
knows
we
now.
work actually.
Anyway, second question is guess the Bollywood brides from these outfits.
Abe.
Okay?
Wait.
I have some pictures. I'll show it to y'all. Y'all guess which bride this is.
My problem is every single one of them are white.
And beige and very
Baby
caramelized.
pink.
For some reason, there is a doula also. Wait.
Oh. दूल्हा guess कर लेंगे.
Guess.
ऐश्वर्या राय.
No. परिणीति चोपड़ा.
करीना कपूर भाई.
एक मिनट परिणीति चोपड़ा है.
Yeah.
परिणीति चोपड़ा है.
Pariniti.
अब भी शादी हुआ उसका पर्स तो.
I did not expect you to get one.
Thanks. I stalk them.
Next, guys, next. Who's this?
Deepika Padukone, please.
Is that Deepika?
Wait.
Katrina Kaif.
Yes, this is Katrina. Look at her face. Like the body say you can
उसने
figure
वो
it's
घूमर
not.
घूमर टाइप्स हार पहना है.
तो
That's
एक
Caddy.
अकेली वही पहनेगी क्या?
गैडी है वो गैडी है.
तो वो मूवी में तो रणवीर सिंह भी था. Who's this?
अरे बाप. जेनेलिया. No.
I have no
How
idea.
did you get Janelia from this?
Jenny
It's right, but how did you get it?
That's.
She's
I
just
love- I
posted her
love
wedding.
her.
I'll tell you, she's just
No,
posted
no,
her
no.
wedding photos. Hence, you know.
Is it because
Yeah.
that? हाँ.
And her Mang Tika.
She's just posted
And
her
her
wedding videos
Mantika.
last week. Is
No,
why
I've
you
seen
know.
it before also.
Oh, this is very obvious. Now this is a who gets it first.
Alia Bhatt.
Yeah.
मैं नहीं समझा
It's Alia Bhatt.
Sorry,
so
guys.
obvious.
अब
no
भी तो
one's
बोला
looked
सब white
like this.
white कर रहे हैं.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
दीपिका पादुकोण.
नहीं. प्रियंका भारती है क्या?
क्या?
I wish. But I
नहीं.
wore hot pink on my shadi, guys.
Yeah. I don't know who this is. It's not Sonam.
It is Sonam. Yes, we got it right.
I said because वही बची है अब.
Okay, this is very
जिसकी
easy
शादी हुई
actually.
है.
It's a guy, but you guys should know
Guy.
who this is.
मेरे को नहीं दिख रहा है.
Oh, sorry.
अब मेरे को नहीं दिख रहा है.
वरुण धवन.
Yes.
Okay.
देखो कुछ नहीं आया ये
He's
गेम
a
में. You've
cutout of
guessed
his
like
face.
one that is Janelia, which is very weird for you to guess.
love
Anyway,
her.
she's won this round by 5 points.
Only 5. I guessed more
No,
than 5.
Anyway, the
no.
next question, guys. Next question is, you have to describe, and this is like a immediately responding wala question. Okay? You have
Okay.
to describe your dream wedding. As soon as I say the subject, you have to tell what it is. Okay? Dream weddings. Think about your dream weddings. Think.
I don't have a dream wedding.
Court marriage.
But think about.
सस्ता सुंदर टिकाऊ.
Perfect.
That's what everyone
I'll
thinks
spend
at
all
this
my
age.
money on honeymoon.
At this age, that's what you'll think. Once the date comes near.
Sorry.
Venue. Very venue.
Juhu party.
You tell.
Juhu chowpatty.
You can have your wedding anywhere. Juhu chowpatty is
मेरे को
your
beach
dream.
wedding
You don't want
चाहिए.
like a Barbados wedding. I'm not saying it'll happen. I'm not
I
saying it'll
want
happen.
temple wedding.
Find a South Indian guy.
Stereotyping.
Yeah.
It's just how things happen. I'm not categorizing basis the stereotype, so it's not
Yeah.
stereotype.
I want a beach wedding.
Oh, nice.
Greece जाएंगे.
Cute. My ticket, you're paying.
उसने बोला
Food.
My wedding you are
Wedding
paying.
food. I'm not paying for your wedding. Wedding food.
Food. Cuisine I'm supposed to tell.
That's what food is.
क्या लिस्ट
Food?
बताना है?
अरे बताना एक
खुशी दाल खिचड़ी.
इंडियन
I'm not coming to your wedding. if
इंडियन
you are-
चाइनीज राजस्थान इंडियन में राजस्थानी आ जाएगा ना.
Live counter
Sorry.
pasta.
लाइव काउंटर पास्ता और
पानी पूरी.
Live pizza
is
tastes
Indian.
very nice at a wedding.
एंड इटालियन.
Italian. इटली
ये
जाना है.
चारों होने चाहिए.
Italy.
मेरे को इटली बोलना चाहिए था शादी के लिए.
कोटनाका में ये सब थोड़ी मिलेगा.
कोटना का क्या है?
कोटना का क्या
मुझे
है?
जब वेन्यू पूछा गया तो मैंने कोटनाका बोला था.
तुमने जुहू चौपाटी बोला था.
इसने बोला था.
ओके ठीक है.
Whatever.
केटरर्स आ जाते हैं, जहाँ बुलाओगे वहाँ आ जाएंगे.
ठीक है.
देखो क्या चाहिए फूड में?
मेरे को फूड में डिटो.
Ditto. Nice. I had armras at my
Indian,
wedding,
Indian.
which was a hit.
या.
मेरे
Also,
को
I
तो
like
नहीं
ice
बुलाया
creams
था.
at weddings. Anyway, dress. What
Sari.
color? What color? You'll wear a
Color.
sari at your wedding?
कलर.
Sari?
सारी लहंगा whatever color.
पेस्टल.
Pastel क्या होता है?
Pastel
भी
is not
चलेगा.
a color.
पेस्टल
You guys have
शेड्स.
not thought about this enough.
Because we don't think of wedding every day.
Not every day.
गाड़ी महंगा है.
This is what we're thinking about.
Yeah.
Don't need a man.
Oh, can you
Need a man?
Tell
Maybe
no.
What?
What color or what outfit?
I
would you
want
wear
a
at your-
lehenga and I want it to be
I have decided one for you. by the way.
lilac in color.
We just don't spoke
Yeah.
about it. Lilac will look very nice.
Yeah.
on you. You should wear lilac.
पेस्टल शेड्स.
Pastel.
Pastel
Pastel is
lilac.
lilac only.
Lilac is pastel.
Groom.
Groom? I don't have in
Groom.
mind. उसका groom ऑस्ट्रेलिया चला गया. Sorry, pain.
Why are we spilling tea, guys?
गाइस अश्रु बहेंगे, चुप हो जाओ.
Okay, I'm shutting up. Last question, guys. Wedding song for entry. Wedding song for entry. I had thought of this years before
I
my
have.
wedding happened. So
I have.
Tell.
It's that.
I know what I want to play at her wedding, but you tell.
अरे is that song? कि तेरे जया और दिस दा.
Ni tere jiya.
नी तेरे जया और दिस दा. But I want you to sing it. Yeah.
Can you sing it now?
I don't know the lyrics.
कि वे मुखड़े
हाँ, ये.
हटावा नी
ये.
तेरे जया.
मैं रोऊंगी गाइस इससे.
ये मेरा है अभी कॉपी
तेरा
मत
ही
कर.
तेरा ही है.
नहीं नहीं you
तेरा
tell
बता.
us
देयर
the
इज
song.
वन बैंड ऑफ उत्तराखंड पांडवास करके.
हाँ.
उनका एक गाना है जो मुझे अभी याद नहीं आ रहा है.
But वो गाना.
हाँ बट वो गाना. It
Very
is
nice.
it is very
Very
Or we
nice.
could flip the entire vibe and come to
Shuka.
no and come to आवाज वाढव डीजे तुझा आईची शपथ.
That's what we drove to today.
Yeah.
okay guys.
We can
Nice.
come on
That
this.
song is actually nice.
Yeah.
Like for
full
Bharat at
goggle के
least.
साथ.
I mean, it's a wedding Bharat song only.
Yeah.
Nice, nice. I was
That
going to
is,
play Eri
Bharati.
Sakhi for your. Eri Sakhi.
वो तो मैं बजाऊंगी.
अभी तूने
दोनों
पांडवा बोला
साथ
था
में
ना.
बजाएंगे. Play
तेरी
साथ में
यार.
बजा-
ठीक है,
तो
साथ में बजा लेंगे.
मतलब
एक
Spotify
किलो-
पे play ही करना है.
1 किलोमीटर का अपन एंट्री रखेंगे मेरा.
ठीक है. Cute, nice. I like this.
Done,
Good, nice.
done.
Good, good.
Beaches से
Good
दूर
answers.
होता है.
Good answers. Very bad answers actually.
It's okay.
अच्छा,
It was
ये-
better than last episode.
Yeah.
No. This was very bad. Like you guys didn't have any answer. Think about
I
your
am
weddings
happy
is
with
all I will
myself.
say. Think about your weddings for 15 minutes every day. It's good for your future decisions. Okay, guys, for the wedding theme, I've gotten wedding snacks. The best is the live pasta counter. This is not live, but pasta.
बट वो पास्ता जा चुका है.
हाँ ना, I was like going towards it.
I'm hungry, guys. I'm sorry.
Wait.
This is damn nice.
मुझे नकचड़े रिलेटिव्स की जरूरत ही नहीं है अगर मेरे पास खुशी है. She gave the bowl to me halfway and she took it back.
I know. I think we have discussed too much drama today, guys. like end this day right here and this episode also. I hope you guys had fun. We had a lot of fun recording this video, and do comment with your wedding stories or just drama stories that we can read. I think we can do it on our Instagram. We'll read those stories out and give out reactions.
And also have good menu, guys. जैसे अच्छे वाले pasta and everything.
Okay. Also, we would like to listen to a lot of songs that people play and dance to in weddings.
Who's planning our wedding?
I'm not planning my wedding. This is just research for good songs that I can dance to.
That's 10 लाख वाली बनेगी.
Nice. Okay, awesome, guys. It was fun. All that's left for us to do is end with